lot of opinion from different people basically kind of got into situation, and it has disbalanced the situation for you. Okay, what else? Five of Swords. See, I also see some blocking and deleting has happened. Somebody was just involving a lot of other people and you got tired of their low level drama and then you blocked them, or you're just not responding to their texts, or I don't know, but some deleting and blocking has happened here. Or there is like a block physically, like the physical energy is blocked. Somebody is not allowing the other person to talk because they're kind of done with their drama. They're kind of done with their BS. I also see that whoever you were dealing with was basically narcissistic with the Five of Swords and the Seven of Wands. You know, people who just create chaos in your life and then they act victim. So you were dealing with someone who kind of created all this chaos in your life and then they started acting victim and they were blaming you. They were putting blame games on you. So this person has really brain fucked you recently is what I see, and that is why you're not able to make a decision as to what exactly you need to do, because you're like, what is up? Why are you juggling me? Why are you not giving me clarity? So that kind of situation here. Okay. Seven of Swords. Yeah. Who the fuck were you dealing with? Some of you it's an air sign, for others of you it's a fire sign, could be an earth sign as well. No water sign so far. So yeah. No emotions. The problem is that there was no emotions. Somebody was just using their brain a lot. They were just being very passionate about the situation. Like I definitely see you both started with a lot of bang and there was a lot of passion, but then suddenly a lot of people got involved. Maybe there was a third party situation. It was a love triangle, or it's just the family or friends or colleagues, I don't know. But I see that the connection was basically ruined because a lot of people got involved, a lot of opinions got involved. And now you're basically in your head about the situation because you're like, what the fuck happened? See, that's the Four of Swords. You're contemplating a lot as to what should be your next action here. Whoever this person is, they have really messed with your brain. They have been giving you anxiety, panic attacks, making you nervous, like just feeling a certain way. Okay. This person is confusing the hell out of you is what I see. You don't know whether you should move on, whether you should stay back, whether they will change. So a lot of confusion is going on. Okay, what is the future for my Aquarius? World card. So I see that whatever drama is happening is basically going to come to a conclusion. So a cycle is going to end, and it is ending after a lot of drama and a lot of delay. So all of this is happening for some time now, maybe 6 and 7 months or 6 or 7 weeks. 6 and 7 is very significant here. We have 6 once and 7 twice. So you might be seeing 777 a lot, and 777 also means that you're ending a cycle. You're becoming more spiritual these days. You're being enlightened. So some of you are enlightened really. After whatever you went through, maybe you became more spiritual and you kind of became enlightened as well. So something is coming to an end here, definitely with the World card. And all of this is happening because things were just very much up in the air. Like nobody was taking any concrete action and there was a lot of opposition. Even if you tried communicating with this person, they were very stubborn. So somebody was being very stubborn and they were just involving other people and they were involving drama, because of which I think something is coming to an end. Maybe this relationship is coming to an end. Okay, what is the present situation of Aquarius? And then give me future as well. Hermit. So right now you are not doing much about the situation. You're just in your own head. Some of you were dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, you're not taking much action. I see that you're detaching and you are definitely enlightening. That I was telling you that you are enlightened. You can see here the Hermit holding this 5-pointed star. Sorry, the 6-pointed star. is the star of enlightenment. You have gained certain knowledge out of this experience, which kind of made you very wise. So you have really become very wise in the whole process. It was difficult, definitely, but it actually gave you some major life lessons in life. And now you have kind of learned as to how people behave and how you should never rely on people. You are on your own in this world, etc., etc. You have definitely become very spiritual these days, or at least you're trying, is what I see. Virgo, Aquarius. Some of you were dealing with a Virgo, which actually made you this. Alright, Eight of Swords, see? Some of you also know that you need to move ahead. Things have ended, or there is no point of staying stuck. But then there's something, because this person is messed up with your brain so bad that you kind of self-sabotage the process. It's like you know very well that you need to move on. You need to stop thinking about this person and you need to go forward in your life. But then it's like one step forward, two step back. So a lot of self-sabotaging energy is also here, or you're just brain fucked by this person, is what I see. Whoever this person was, they really messed with your brain, is what I see. And now you are choosing to detach. You have already made a decision that you're not going to be part of this drama anymore. Because whoever this person was, they were just like a low-level drama queen, is what I see. They were just all about themselves. They were just about their image. They were just about their position. They never cared about you. Some of you, this person was very, like stability oriented, like they wanted some sort of stability from you, and when they got it somewhere else, or maybe they were just, all about goals and ambitions in a negative way, that, people who just want to win at any cost kind of a person, all right? So this person just wanted to win at any cost, and when they thought that they can run over you and then they can achieve something in life, they did that. All right. Okay, give me some future energy for Aquarius. Tower card. Yeah, things have been really painful. This whole revelation has been very painful, but the good thing is that you're still taking things head on and you're moving. All right, some of you, you're moving a little slower. That's fine. Even if you move slowly, it's still a movement, which is good. And some of you, you're getting back your confidence. That's the Chariot card. You are mastering your emotions and you're taking control in your hand, okay? And you're basically conquering your inner beast. So you are conquering your inner emotions, and yeah, I mean, you're getting back on track is what I see, which is good. Some of you might also be traveling abroad. If you're looking for an opportunity, that might come in. And I see that these days you've become very practical and spiritual. So it's like, whatever happens, you're very positive about it. You're like, okay, fine, this is destiny, or things happen, or shit happens, it's fine, life goes on. That kind of approach you're adapting these days. I'm sorry. All right, give me some energy about this person that Aquarius was dealing with. 9 of Wands, they still have passion for you. Some of you, this person was very immature. They were very passionate about you. They are still very passionate about you. This person keep tabs on you. That's what the Page of Cups or the 9 of Wands. Somebody is still very curious about you because they are very sexually attracted to you. So somebody has a lot of passion and they keep tabs on you. So yeah, I mean, they would still want to have some sort of interaction, especially the sexual interaction with you, or they just want to get intimate with you, or they miss the intimacy. Something about intimacy and sex is very prominent here with the Page of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Not in a bad way, but I see that this person was more about it. All right, so that might actually come from somewhere, like you will hear from somebody that this person was talking about you. Okay, what else? Nine of Cups. Somebody is very attracted to you. Whoever this person was, they were very attracted to you. And they still fantasize about you a lot. However, you are trying to prioritize your own happiness over this person. You're like, fuck this shit, I'm gonna focus on myself. So some of you, you have decided to walk away and you will keep walking away. And you also feel that what's the point? See, again, you feel that what is the point of communicating with this person when this person is all about drama? I better not participate. Some of you, whenever you look back at this situation, it kind of really hurts you because you just wanted both of you to sit together and sort out the issue, and this person involved so much drama, or they started arguing with you, or they just started playing petty games. So some of you, when you look back, it's really hurtful for you. You just wanted justice, like you just wanted things to happen in a fair way, and they just included unnecessary drama in it. So yeah, and now you feel that it is better to stay quiet than to express your feelings again and get heartbroken. So you are silently walking away, at least trying. You're silently walking away, protecting your peace. Temperance, yeah. I see that you're trying to restore peace and harmony in your life. You're trying to meditate a lot these days. You've become spiritual, at least you're trying to. Some of you also have multiple options in love, but for that you need to first walk away from this toxicity and look at your options, because you're very, very closed off. You're right now in the hermit energy where you're not even paying attention to anything. But if you want love, there could be a soulmate kind of connection with the Temperance and the Seven of Cups. But for that you have to open yourself up. Alright, and you will have to do some mix and match as well. Like you will have to be open, be available. You cannot stay stubborn and then expect love to fall in your lap. That's not going to happen. Your money is also about to improve. So if you are facing a downtime in your money, it's going to improve. And I definitely see that some sort of truth came out about this person. Whoever you were dealing with, you've been really, really hurt. And you've been so hurt that now you're closing yourself to anything and everything. Stop doing that. Do not punish yourself for what others have done to you, alright? Ace of Cups. There is definitely love showing up for you. Could be a water sign, could be an earth sign as well. And it's going to be very solid love. It's going to take time. That's the number one thing, because Ten of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy. And it could be that be all end all kind of commitment kind of love. Okay, from Ace of Cups you're going to Ten of Pentacles. It might not be the most romantic one, but it's going to be very stable is what I see. And you also have your past person that keeps making promises to you and keeps breaking them. This person might show up again, but you are deciding to walk away. This person, whoever your past person is very sexually attracted, or they have a lot of passion for you. They kind of miss you, but you're trying to walk away. Nine of Cups. You have love coming in, and very strongly a water sign. Could be a Scorpio for some of you. But the only problem is that you're closed off. You're not even seeing the opportunity. That's the issue. You're being very stubborn. See? So the love is coming in, but you're just trying to turn away, and you're being very stubborn. The good thing is that you're taking control of your life and you're doing well in your life. Your money is improving. Your position will be improving. But open your heart to love also if you want to be in a relationship, right? King of Pentacles. See, these days you're very, very focused on your stability and money and career or whatever. And it is improving. It will be improving. Do not try to leave things on destiny. If love is showing up in your life, grab the opportunity, alright? Some of you, you're just leaving everything to timing and divine timing or whatever. Divine timing is going to give you an opportunity. You still have to, walk in and take that. So be careful about that. Some of you, your money is improving, like money and position actually. For some of you, it's going to be money. For others of you, it's going to be position. Death card. And it's going to all happen after a lot of transformation. So first you have to die in the process. It's going to be difficult, but it's going to be worth it. Alright? And some of you, you already know that a love connection that you were involved with, your past person was full of drama. They're no good for you. You need to walk away from them. Alright? When you will do that, that's when you are going to find this Ace of Cups kind of love. But that's going to happen after this separation, or you putting an end to the separation. Like the separation has already happened, but you're still holding on to it somewhere. You're still hoping to hear from them something. What's the point of hearing from them when they are not going to tell you the truth? So leave things on destiny. Do not seek for clarity from a cheater or a liar or a deceptor. Just keep moving forward, right? I definitely see a love offer coming your way, or a very stable connection coming your way, but you're just closed off. You're not paying attention. If you will do, you will find this love in life, right? Somebody is interested. There could be a water sign, Scorpio very strongly. Could be Aries for some of you. Could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Cancer, Sagittarius, yeah, Virgo. These could be some of the signs that are very important. So yeah, Aquarius, there is love coming in for sure, and a past person coming in again to waste your time. Make a wise choice. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.